Yeah, look at the Iran. This is crazy. I'm telling you. Are you cool?
Yeah.
Come on. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing road trip with my friend. And we are in the Georgia right now.
Yeah.
And we are going to border of Russia because of some church and ski place. No,
yeah.
Ski place
in Gudori.
Yeah.
And the church is in the Kazbegi. Kazbegi the church. Yeah, it's on the most snow mountain.
Yeah, but the problem is 3 hours go, 3 hours back. It's far away.
3-hour journey. So.
Yeah, but we don't care. We will drive because we want to do road trip in Georgia.
Yeah.
And let's see.
Yeah, it will be good experience.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, and I'm so excited for that.
Yep, me too.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go.
Yalla.
Yalla. Guys, let me explain myself what I'm thinking about to drive in Georgia. What is different to Turkey? First of all, they are driving very slow, very slow, and they are driving very different way than Turkey. Yeah, I was crashed a few times almost, but now we are okay.
You are lucky.
Yeah,
you are lucky.
Because if they want to turn, they turn. No signal, no anything. You know, if they want to stop, they stop.
Exactly.
So basic.
Yeah,
but
they just drive whatever they like.
yeah, absolutely.
Don't feel anything.
And at the same time, they are driving very slow. Now we are on small way, but it doesn't matter. Highway, they same, just 60 or 80 kilometers too fast maximum. And if in Turkey you are in the highway, it's minimum 120. You know, I surprised when you show me the map. It's just 120 kilometers too far away, right?
Yeah, it's close actually.
Yeah, it is close, very close actually. But it was writing 3 hours. I said, what? Because in Turkey, it's just 1 hour 30 minutes far away. But here, 3 hours half or something.
Yes, from the hotel there. Yeah.
Yes, that's crazy. It's very slow. Now I'm going just 60. This is very bad.
Yeah. Okay, so by the way, how's the green tea?
Yeah, Chinese green tea.
It's good?
Yeah, it's sweet.
No, they're writing little sugar.
Yeah, but it's sweet.
Sweet for you?
Yeah, it's sweet for me.
Okay, so you don't like more.
I like the first one, you know, hot one. This is cold tea.
Yeah, it's cold tea.
But it's okay. You know, like water. It's sweet water.
Yeah, but sweet water. Yeah. But cold tea and a little bit sweet, more energy.
Yeah, it's looking like that. And the other thing, the Georgia is looking way or small shops. You know, I remember when I child, when I'm going other cities with my dad, already was like that. It's like 15 years ago Turkey. This feeling is really different. The way, the shop, their old shop, I think, or I don't know. It was like 15 years Turkey. It's looking like that. I'm surprised. But they're growing very fast because a lot of people are coming to Georgia now, and they're growing very fast. You can see everywhere they're building new buildings. Yeah, so they will be they will be big country soon, maybe in 10 years.
Yeah, going fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like growing up this country. Improvement. This
Yeah,
country.
absolutely. Yeah. But view is amazing.
Yeah,
Mountains.
different Turkey. Right?
Yeah, but actually it's Black Sea part, Turkey.
Yeah,
Similar like that.
Like a reason to Trabzon.
Yeah. It's similar. And look at this. And the way are just two-way, two side, and a lot of traffic. We are going very slow, very. No, see, it's so dangerous. See, oops. Oh, they're gone. Okay, maybe I'm stupid.
You can follow them.
Woohoo! Oh my god!
Man, you are so insane.
Yeah, we are good. Okay. Adventures continue. Let's go. Now we break because it's a long way. I'm a little tired and we want to check the around. Actually, we came to ski area, but no many snow here yet. Yeah, look at the around. This is crazy, I'm telling you. And they are doing ATV tour, horse tour here. It's amazing feel, and it's freezing. I didn't bring my jacket. I'm stupid. Anyway, I'm good. We still have 1 hour. Are you cool?
Yeah.
Come on. Actually, I don't know what is that, but it's some story pictures telling the damn story.
My friend.
What is that, my friend?
Cycling.
Oh, it's a little bit careful.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. I don't know what's that, but the view is amazing. Real good job. Oh. Here is freezing. It's super cold. And I love it. Look at this nature. It's amazing. Let's go. I'm freezing. Yeah.
Back to car?
Yeah, back to car. Yeah. And here is ice. Woohoo! Guys, I want to show you something interesting here. They have some way for the cover the snow. See? Probably snowing a lot here, and they are going to this way, and here is closing probably, and always like that. Wow, I'm surprised a lot. This is an accent. Yeah, this is clever. It's smart. Yeah, probably slowing a lot, and the way is closing. Good plan. Now we stopped the town, Georgia town. It's small, not big things, and now we are going to church. We came here all way because of the church. The church is on the mountain. Here is. Before to go there, we want to eat something Georgian food. Yeah, and rest a little bit. I love the road trip. It's amazing, right?
Yeah, so impressed and so good experience.
Yeah, definitely.
If you come Georgia, rent a car.
Yes. Hey, man. Yeah. It's feel me like in the home. Yeah. Almost village on the mountain. Yeah, I'm feeling like a home. But my hometown is not that much cold. Here it's very cold. I can't imagine people are always living here. It's super cold for me. They have a street dog too, and street cow.
Nobi.
Nobi. Hello. Okay, we are still searching the restaurant, and he don't know any idea about the map.
No, I'm good for map.
No.
I'm just out of sense.
Yeah, like always.
Not always, just online. Yeah, up to the top.
Yeah, we will go to top. Oh my god.
Buy food.
But no way.
We should tell video. We buy food. Let me drive in car. Let me be like, you know, fake. Tired. Oh, you know what? You know what I've been doing.
But it's good.
Oh, you know, it's good for hiking, you know, but we made it anyway. Let me drive in car.
Yeah.
That in fact.
No, don't do that. You're a liar now. Okay.
But you know. Yeah.
Wow, in the summer, I think they are all green. Look at the hair, all green. But now it's brown. Yeah, nothing, because super cold. You open it? Hi.
You're from? Where are you from?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Wow. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Nasılsın abi?
Yeah, wow, he's Turkish.
Keep pictures and the names.
Okay, thanks.
You too, man? You? Oh, 你好。
你好。
你好，谢谢。
啊，谢谢。
好好吃，好好吃。
好好吃。
好好吃。From which city you are?
厦门。
上北。
Okay. Oh, they have a grill.
We are out again because we don't have any cash, lari, Georgian money, and we are looking the exchange. Yeah, we will change dollar to lari. So $1, 2 lari, 0.6, right? 2.6.
But here is only 260. We should. I mean, office rent will be 268, but we only get it 260. Like the same. But the guy, he wants like a trap. He say 255.
Yeah.
When we want to leave, he say 260.
Yeah. Can I show the lari?
The banknote?
Yeah, banknote. Yeah, this is Georgian money. Yeah, lari.
Yeah.
Yep. Good money.
I really like it. The 100 lari. It's very beautiful. The purple color. Yeah. And I very like it. And it's in it's operate. I operate in Tbilisi.
Oh.
Yeah.
We didn't see it.
No, you have a driving door, but you don't.
Ah, okay.
I think it's because you don't remember. It's next to the Freedom Tower, Freedom Square.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday there, yeah. Yeah, so it's very beautiful. And
Yep.
he's like Atatürk, guys.
For the Georgia.
Yeah, for Georgia. He's a king, like 1,000 years ago.
Yeah. Okay, now we have Larry and we will go to restaurant again.
Finally.
Yeah, and it was very local restaurant, right?
Yeah, it's
Small,
and cheap.
cheap.
Yeah, that's the point.
That's the point. Absolutely.
Yeah, and very local. And he can speak Turkish.
Yeah, and Chinese.
Yeah,
I impressed a lot. Yeah.
Okay, we gotta check it out.
Yeah. He was speaking Turkish. Merhaba, nasılsın? Wow, that's cool. Yep, this is our restaurant here. It's looking very local
Yeah, local
and cheap. Hello again. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Georgian Monty. Yeah, this is menu. Yeah. A lot of options. But I like the mushroom. Now I order mushrooms and cheese. He ordered chicken rice. Yeah, chicken rice. Yeah. Mushroom is not enough, and we order more. He orders soup.
Yeah.
And I order something like that. It's bread, eggs, and cheese. Yeah, we are starving. Okay, go. Guys, now we ate and we are going to church. And yeah, I forgot to speak. Yeah, but look at this view, freaking awesome. Here's the church there on the mountain. Okay, go. Yeah, almost we came, but here is freezing and the river is hard, cold and high. My hair is a lot of hair pressure. Yeah. Not run. Okay. So good. What? This is a church. On the no, we saw the inside. And inside is very warm. It's probably designed, but outside freezing. Not cold. This is not cold. I'm telling you. I never see this view before in my life. View is very good. Now we came to car and outside is, oh my god, I don't know, people how can survive here. My nose are running. Oh, my hand is freeze. Yeah. Okay, now we are going back before the dark because we are very bad drive at night. Yeah, we have to go now. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Hi guys, again I'm in the airport. I'm waiting for my flight and I'm going to Turkey now. My Georgia trip is done. I spent a few days in Georgia. It was an amazing trip for me. I love the experience. I love the travel to other countries. I love it. I love it. It was an amazing experience for me. And hopefully I can continue to travel other countries. Yeah, now it's 3 o'clock. It's very, you know, I'm sleepy. But anyway, I want to finish this vlog. I hope you will like my Georgia trip. Yeah, it was amazing for me. I love it. Okay, do you have any advice for which country I have to visit? Yeah, just write the comments. I will check it. And do you have any advice for which country I have to visit? I have to try the new food. Yeah, just tell me. Write the comments. I will say it. Okay, guys. I will fly 2 minutes later. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video. Bye bye.